Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified when I post a new video. So in this video, I'll be going through the May-June 2019 Maths Paper 1, question 1. So the first question is 1.1, which is solve for x, and you are given an equation x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So the first step is you find two numbers that when multiplied together, the answer you get is -6. So all the possible ways that you can get -6 are listed below, which is when you multiply -3 times 2 gives you -6, minus 2 times 3 gives you -6, minus 1 times 6 gives you -6, and then minus 6 times 1 gives you -6. If you have more ways you can get -6, you can also add them. But then these are the only ones that I know. And then after doing that, you move on to step 2. So from the set of numbers above, replace the multiplication sign with the addition sign. So instead of having minus 3 times 2, you replace the multiplication sign with an addition sign. So you're going to have minus 3 plus 2, which is -1, minus 2 plus 3, +1 minus 1 plus 6, which is 5, and minus 6 plus 1. And then after doing that, you move on to step 3, which is where you select the number set that gives you the middle number, which is -5. Here is the middle number, -5. So from step 2, you choose the number set that gives you -5. So as you can see, -6 and +1 gives you -5. So these are the numbers that you're going to use, -6 and 1. You just choose them, just choose -6 and 1. So I've highlighted from step 1 to step 3, I've highlighted what I wrote there because you don't have to include this in your answer sheet. Maybe if you do, you can put it in brackets or use a pencil, but you don't have to write it. So after doing that, you then go to your answer sheet. This is what you have to write, and then you open your bracket and say x minus 6 and x plus 1, because these are the answers that you got. These are your factors. I think they're called factors or something. Minus 6 and 1. So you're going to say x minus 6 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you're going to now separate them to say x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then you transpose -6 to the other side and get x is equal to 6, or x is equal to -1.